like that's how it's done stuff. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just going to fill in my brows real quick, and this could take a while, so I'm gonna speed this up as well. Okay, so I'm now going to prime, and for my primer today I'm going to go in with my Unicorn Essence by Farsali, because I have not used this in a while. So because this makeup has to last me the whole day and the whole night, so from now until this evening, I'm going to add another primer, which is just to fill in my pores, and I'm using the StageLine Silk Veil. StageLine Silk Veil Pore Minimizing Skin Refinisher. I swear they just put these really long nails, really long names on these products, and they all probably just do the same thing. I forgot to wet my beauty blender again. I'm back. Okay, so today I'm trying a brand new foundation. I'm trying the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte, and I'm not sure how this is going to do because I've been enjoying the Maybelline Fit Me, but I hope this is my color, because let's see, because I'm not so sure on my skin color right now for this, but I think it might be a little too white, but it's okay. We'll correct it with my powder. It's too white. Oh my god. This is way too white. So that color is very off, and I feel like it dried lighter, so I'm gonna go in and use my Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna just go over it to kind of fix my face up a bit. Okay, I actually hate this foundation. Okay, so I'm now gonna go in and use my Essence Matte Bronzing Powder. Okay. So I'm now going to go in with my NYX concealer, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyes so that we can get going onto eyeshadow. Okay, so for my eyes today, I'm going to be using my BYS palettes, my favorite palettes. The BYS Berries and the BYS Nude. I'm going to be using these two palettes for my eyes today. So I'm first going to start off with the Nude palette, and I'm going in with this color called Couture. It's a very nude color, and I'm going to use that to set my concealer in place. Because I am doing a day to night look, so after the lunch I am going to amp up my makeup a bit more for the evening. In my Berries palette, I'm first gonna go in with Berry Haze, this color here. I'm just gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. I'm gonna darken it up with Sundown, which is this color here. Now I'm going to darken it up even more, and I'm going to add Majestic, which is kind of a orangish, like a burnt orange. Wait, it's kind of a burnt orange. I'm not going to go in with Royalty, which is a much deeper color, and I'm going to go in with a pencil brush for this. in with a bit of Juliet, which is much darker, much darker. Okay, I ran out of time to talk to the camera and do my makeup, so I'm gonna carry on talking to you guys this way. So I'm just adding some tape to my outer corners because when I add another dark color over, I want a bit of that winged eyeshadow look. So I'm going in with Majestic and a bit of Cherry Bomb again. Then I'm just going to cut my crease as usual. Then I'm going in with the two lightest shades, one shimmer and the one is matte, and I'm adding that with a flat brush to my lids and my inner corners. Then adding my favorite NYX concealer. I don't think I can change this concealer unless I find one that's as creamy as this, but just as usual, adding the concealer, highest points of my face, the way they do it on Instagram. Then I just set it with my BYS Translucent Powder. Then I'm using my Essence bronzer to bronze up my face, which is something I had to do since my foundation was way too light for my skin tone. Then I just dust away the rest of the loose powder. And for my lower lash line, I'm using Majestic and Cherry Bomb again, and I'm adding that. Curling my lashes and putting mascara, and I'll be right back with lashes. Okay, lashes are on. Now I'm going to add my Essence Nude Liner to my waterline. Excuse the tape on that mirror. That's annoying me. Adding some Essence blush, and as usual my BYS Highlighting Trio to my cheekbones and everywhere else you put highlighter. Then I'm going on with NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Ruffle Trim. As for my hair, I'm gonna curl it and I'll be right back. So this is what my makeup eventually came out like. I eventually added a bit more bronzer because I wasn't happy with how it was, and I added a darker lipstick. So this is my day look and what it looks like, and my hair is plum red. I don't know. I'm just wearing this cute top, jeans, and I got new booties. Okay, so excuse the mess all in the background, which you can see, and I'll see you in a few minutes to transform this into my night look. For my night look, all I'm going to do is use the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow, and I'm not sure what color this is, but it's the pink one, and I'm using a small flat concealer brush, and I'm using that to basically cut my crease again with this liquid eyeshadow just to add a bit of glitter and pop. Then I'm using my BYS Contouring Palette, and I'm using that just to darken up my contour a bit, and I'm adding some black eyeliner to my waterline. Going back in with my Berries palette, I'm just blending my crease up. Then I'm using my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and I'm adding that to my cheekbones. Then I'm going to add my usual LA Girl highlighter over it because that liquid illuminator intensifies it so much. Then for my outfit, all I did was switch into darker jeans and a velvet top, and I kept the same booties.